button on. Okay, welcome to one more weekly episode of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Chal. So to start with, technically Nifty has been down, going down. Okay, and taken a support. So let's understand this in terms of where the support has been taken again and again. Okay, and 7837 support has been taken approximately. Okay, plus minus 5-10 points. Okay, now check this out. When it is taking support, this is the level. It is touching and going ahead, touching and going ahead. Okay, and a wonderful movement on the upside. But is it an up move? If you check this out, okay, it has made a higher lows for quite some times, right or wrong? Okay, and then over here. So technically, we are still in the down movement. Yes, definitely. If we think in terms of last 3 days, then it is one day down, second day down, and then the third day upside. Maybe a 1, 2, 3 reversal, right? So I'll mute on right now. Then we will have a question answer session also, not a problem. Okay, so technically we are moving on the upside. Now this movement on the upside could be, after a strong drop, a rally which should come in, like the first time we had this rally, but the continuation took place. Again, the rally trying to go ahead and then again trying to come back. So in this particular case, you are seeing that at around 1850 levels, there is a support and then Nifty trying to go up. But is this a up move practically? One cannot say yes, but could be a initial stage of what? What is the event which is coming in? The budget. Now this could be a budget wala rally. Yes, possible. Let's look at the levels now. How do you play this particular game? Now, if you see this, as far as the strongest candle is this mother candle, which we can call this, and then price trying to go down, only to see price again taking the support and moving up. Now, how do you play this particular game? Practically, we are seeing that it is in the sideways movement. Now, if you can see this sideways movement, 2 days of down, 1 day of up, trend has not been confirmed. Please understand, nobody can catch the bottom and nobody can catch the top. The trend has not been confirmed. So when will the trend get confirmed in this particular case? Now, generally what happens, okay, we see that the opening is dull or price trying to go down only to see it going on the upside. So if you go to see on the lower side time frame, and I will also just show you the weekly thing. Now in this weekly, again, we are seeing that it has taken the support over here and not ready to go down. So what you need to write down is 17,820, 17,800 levels. 850 to 800 levels. Okay, now if there is a weekly closing below, that means the trend has continued down. Okay, the trend has continued now. 4 weeks, it is dancing over here. Up on the upside, the 18,350 levels, and on the downside, the 17,850 levels. That is the range as far as the weekly is concerned. Okay, so you please can write down. Okay, this is a future chart, right? So daily is now very clear. Okay, and let's go to a 240-minute chart. Now in the 240 minutes chart, what happens and what is the momentum? Now, as far as the 240-minute chart is concerned, are we not seeing a beautiful 1, 2, 3 reversal over here? First candle, second candle, and the third candle. Now see the wick of all these particular 3 candles. Okay, this is the support level trying to move up. Again, it has taken this support level. Again, it has taken this, only to see the price going up. Now on the 240 minutes levels, we are having 2 places where there is a strong resistance, which we had drawn during the last week. Now, what are these levels? One is this 1808 T9 levels. Okay. Now over here you can see at 18130 is also your R1, which it respected and then came down. Okay. Now this becomes very important, that in case it is holding over there. Now what we only need to understand, that in the first 45 minutes, if the price is not going below 1800 levels, okay, and then when it starts to move up, okay, the target being 18130 levels, and then going high to 18235 levels. Now, where these targets comes in, how this target comes in, a simple way of looking at the things. Understand this. It has, see, technically, if you draw a simple trend line over here, right, that means the trend line was broken, but it is not broken significantly. First thing first. Okay. Now it needs to spend some time over here. If it opens with a very big gap, then this needs to come back, retest, and while it is going up, we will be able to take the call. Now, if it opens flat, then it is wonderful for us. If it opens flat, or if it goes down, okay, kisses the 17980 levels, and then when it starts to move up, that is the time you can become a buyer. Now, please understand, how do you play this game? This is a 240 minutes chart. Okay, looking at the 240 minutes chart, this is the thing, that it should take a support around 1780 to 1750 levels. Okay, coming down. Now, why? You can see that the trend is practically flat and not a up move wala trend. Please understand that in this particular case, आप ये देखो, the price has been dancing in this particular range. So I would say in a 240 minutes, it is not given a clear breakout on the upside or on the downside. That is why we say that the trend is sideways and not one side. Understand? This is what needs to be understood. Now, when the trend will confirm, let's look at it as a trend confirmation only when it goes above 18130. Okay, when it goes above 18130 levels, that is right now becoming your R1. Now, as far as this higher time frame is concerned, this is fine. But if you look at it on a 60-minute chart or a 120 minutes, 2-hour chart, okay, just to show you how this functions basically. So in the 2-hour chart, we are seeing that it did a consolidation over here. Okay, dancing over here, not ready to go down, only to see the price now moving on the high side. Okay, so what we are also looking at, if it starts again dancing over here in this particular range of 1800, it's a round number, right? And 1889. Okay, so one can look at this particular range. If it dances over here and then gives you a breakout, then you can say, okay, now it is in the breakout mode. I want to become a buyer. Please look at this very important levels over here while the price had dropped over here. So this, in this particular case, again, we have a supply zone which is coming in, right? So how we can play this game? Simple is, whatever time frame you are playing, understand this, whatever time frame you are playing, That is what is more important rather than I giving you a signal, okay, it is a buy or a sell. That's the key thing. Now, in this particular case, see the way it danced over here for some time before. Even if you had drawn a 240 minutes wala line, then this was the place to take a entry over here. Okay, only to see the price going up at the later end of the day. Now, check this out. The 18,089 levels holding, this was a 240 minutes level, only to see the price coming down. Now, the best part for a 60-minute is this, the levels over here at this particular levels. Now, price going up over here again to come back to 89 and then going to 18,130 levels, right? Again, maybe it should come down only to see the price then going high. This is how it will practically work. Okay, if we are seeing a rally, which is a budget rally coming in. Now, a few of the stocks which will play a very important role in this particular case, we will also discuss this. I'm not going beyond the 60-minute because if you see in the 15-minute chart, it is technically an uptrend, right? As on now. So in the 15-minute chart also, you could see the same level, whether it was 240, whether it is 180, when it went higher than this, okay, one of the important levels or one of the important tools which we are using and which we have a wonderful seminar coming, which is a physical seminar coming on the Sunday, next Sunday, okay, which will be held in Mumbai. Now, check this out. This is one of the tools which we have been using, and this is what we are going to study in the next Sunday lecture. ADX, okay, it's a directional index and the strength of the move wala thing. Let me explain to you in a short this thing. Okay, let me explain to you in a short. Now, check this out. While price was just dancing and the moment was technically down, 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 at this particular junction, when the price was dancing, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, 5 candle, 6 candles. Now, check this out. There was practically no direction. Now, this red line, what you can see, okay, it's the minus DX. And the green line, what you see is the plus DX. Okay. Now, how it will work, there is a whole lot of understanding about this particular thing, but showing you as far as this particular part is concerned. And then the breakout comes in. Okay, when the breakout comes in, the plus DI shows that the trend has changed direction, and the confirmation of the trend is done by this blue line over here. Okay, only to see this price going up. Now, please understand, if you have missed all this and you don't know anything about ADX, blah, 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 that was perfectly all right, because at the pivot level, that is the 17,982 levels, you had a wonderful inside candle coming in, only to see that the price running away. Now, this is the advantage you can take. Whatever is the system, whatever is the process, whatever you are following, this is what you need to do. That where you want to take an entry, how you want to take an entry becomes very, very important. Sure. So Nifty wise, we are very clear. So let's look at the Bank Nifty levels. Chalo. So let's look at Bank Nifty, and we will take few stocks also, stock for the Monday series. Okay, check this out. Almost doing the same thing. Not ready to go down. We had this weekly levels which we had marked over here during the last week. Okay, price, and I had also posted price not ready to go down below 42,050 levels, right? And dancing. This is a 15-minute chart. Okay, we will do a reverse this thing. This is a 15-minute chart, not going down, not going down. Check this out as far as the ADX is concerned. that also has not given you any direction. So till the time the direction is not clear, okay, what you should be doing is keeping patience, reading good books, whatever you want to do, but don't jump into the trade saying, oh, mujhe ye lagta kuch nahi hai. Okay, only when the candles will start moving in a particular direction, that is the direction you want to be in. Otherwise, whatever you will do will be on that lagta hai attitude wala thing, and then the stop loss get hit and losses comes in. So please have a system and process in place before you actually jump into the trade. Now check this out over here, right? The positive DI going high. That means now I don't want to become a seller. Okay, I don't want to become a seller. Price is above the moving average also. Okay, and then the strength of the move was seen right over here. Again, an inside candle before the price really went high. Okay, so simple way of looking at things based on your risk management. That is how you basically take a trade. Okay, for an intraday player, okay, whether you are a Nifty player, then you are looking for 40 to 50 points per trade. Okay, and if you are a intraday Bank Nifty player, okay, you are looking for 100 to 200 points range game. Please understand anything. Now, in this particular case, check this out, 42 180 and 42 50. The price dance was really bad, and on both the side, you may have hit your stop losses. If you keep your stop losses 30 points, 50 points, it is not practically possible to play the Nifty game with 30, 50 points or even 100 points, because one candle is almost now 100 points because of the volatility, right? So I hope this clears and understood this particular part. Okay, so going up high to a 60-minute chart, check this out. Okay, price not ready to go beyond 4250 levels. Okay, and then a strong movement coming in, and now it is getting stuck. But a beautiful pattern seen over here. Which is this pattern? A W pattern. Now, what is the significance of the W pattern? The significance of the W pattern is whenever this neckline is broken, okay, whenever the neckline is broken with volumes, I want to take the trade, okay, and this could be my target in this particular fashion. So whatever is the entry over here, okay, whatever is the length of this move can be my target. Now, will it go up in a straight line? Of course not. But here you have your target around 42 950 levels. Okay, wherein your resistance will be there at 42 722 levels. The only hitch over here is how much it will open up. Okay, how much gap opening it is doing, or if it goes down, beautiful. Why beautiful? Because then I have my resistance over here or a support level over here at 42 360 levels. Okay, which is the pivot over here, somewhere over here. Just check this out. The numbers will change when you will check this chart out. So if it opens down and then starts to move up, beautiful. Okay, if it opens with a gap, you will not be able to do anything. Then you will have to follow the price action, or you will have to use your 10 minutes rule or whatever rules which you are having as far as your trading system is concerned. Okay, clear on this? So 60-minute, a wonderful setup can be seen over here. Now, if I go to a higher time frame, 240 minutes, look at this. Now, in the 240 minutes, we are still in the sideways. We are still in the sideways. Why we are saying we are still in the sideways? Because the mother candle is huge one. Okay, and anything only above 82,840 levels, which is again the same resistance level which we had seen for this W pattern, 42,940 and 82,8. Again, 100 points movement over here, the gap coming in almost 100 points, right? So in this case, the dancing is happening over here, technically sideways, but in the, most of this, we will say, oh, this also seems to be like a W pattern, right? So anything above this, again, we are heading towards the 42,836 levels. I hope this is clear. Any particular questions you can now ask. Okay, I'll unmute and you can then. Okay, you can unmute and ask, or you can just type it down. Before I take one or two stocks, maybe a stock of the week. Any questions? Okay, chart. So let me take you to, no questions. So let me take you to the chart of the week. So first of all, we'll do a daily analysis on this particular thing. Okay. So the chart of the week, as far as I am concerned, okay, look at this. And this is again and again. In Nifty also, I showed you the same thing. The Bank Nifty also, I showed you the same thing. Let the chart dance. When the chart dance for quite some time, here you got your 1, 2, 3 reversal. And then the basing coming in. Again, only to see the price now going higher. Okay, so this is a chart of the week where we could be a buyer of this particular instrument. Okay, conditions apply. Force motor as your convenience. Okay, great. I'll take that particular thing. So on a daily chart, okay, 1 time, 2 times, maybe this just a drop, 3 times, and the 4 times. On all these 4 occasions, price trying to be on the plus side. Okay, after a very long consolidation, price has done the breakout. So technically 1056 levels. Anything lower, yahan pe buy with a very small stop loss, only to see the price going high. Simple as that. Okay, so this is one stock I would definitely love if the Nifty is strong, IT sector is strong or not strong, but this stock I would love to buy for maybe 1 or 2 days or even intraday. This will be a wonderful buy. Okay, so stock of this thing. Why I am saying this? Daily we have seen how to analyze this particular thing. Look at this on a 240 minutes chart also, right? So every time it is trying to go down, it is being pushed up. So it is above my moving average, blah, blah, blah. Okay, on a ADX also, it is on the green side. So the levels are very clear. It has done the basing over here. Okay, this, since Nifty had opened down, okay, now it took this support over here and then again going up. So very, very important this thing. Price, see this 1040, approximately around 1040, price was dancing, and then you got your beautiful 1, 2, 3 reversal, only to see the price coming back, coming to technically kiss the level from where it has run away. And this is the stock I would love to, in case it opens down below, fine, very small stop loss, only to see the price going high. Okay, this is as far as your stock of the week is concerned. Okay, and somebody had requested for force motors. Okay, let's check force motor. Now check this out. As far as force motor is concerned, if you can just observe that all the auto sector stocks had given a wonderful move last 2-3 days. Okay, they are the first one to move higher. Okay, in this case, just check this out. on a daily chart also. Okay, again plus DI on the plus side. Again telling you once again, this is the beautiful way of analyzing the stock. Just put your lines in place and put an alert. I want to buy above this. Simple as that. Above the moving average. Good. Plus DI. Good. Okay. And also the strength is strong. So slowly and steadily it is going high. So how will you play this particular game? Now check this out. Where is your levels? Okay, where is the levels and where it can stop. Simple as that. Now in this case, anything above 1584 should be a buy as a breakout trade. Okay, only to see that our price can go right up till 1736. That is where the new, but in this particular case, price has respected this for quite some time. So anything above this, we should be able to see price going higher. So 1580 levels, 1584 levels, and we will be able to see a move on the upside. The only hitch is the DI should continue and the strength of the move should be there. Okay, somebody who is following the volumes can also check the volumes. Again, now we have only 2 weeks basically to expiry, but yes, in this particular case, a beautiful rounding bottom reversal, slow reversal coming in, only to see the price moving higher. So chart wise, right now it was in the sideways, only to see the breakout coming in. Okay, anything above 1584, we should be keeping a watch on this. Correct? Any other stock you would love to check this out? Okay, let's look at 2-3 of our Bank Nifty stocks, whether the Bank Nifty is going to run away or Bank Nifty is not going to run away. So we will check the stock. Okay, let me tell you this thing again. Anything above 244 is a buy. Okay, and this dancing has come in, but tomorrow morning if we can catch this moment, okay, then we want to pick it up on the higher side, only to exit around 1270 levels. Again, you need to understand that you need to know your ATRs, okay, of the particular day for this particular stock to move up. In case the Bank Nifty is going up, okay, this is the stock which we would love to look at. Okay, anything above 1244 should be moving higher. So this is as far as those who are trading Bank Nifty can look at this particular thing. 2-3 things over here. Look at this Kotak Bank. Okay, it has given you a wonderful drop. Okay, look at this minus DI. It was continuously telling you sell. Okay, only to see that the price is now come as a doji and a strong up move will be seen. But is this a buy? Again, nobody can catch the bottom and nobody can catch the top. But yes, the trend has already matured. So if you want to sell Kotak Bank, not the right time. Simple rule is that. Okay, you could have sold right over here when the minus DI was there, but right now is not the time. This could form a reversal, but has the reversal come in? No. Okay, so in case the Bank Nifty movements are down for that for the week, then this could also continue move down. Okay, so at least यहाँ पे sell नहीं करना है, simple as that. But buy करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं अगले दिन का low as a stop loss. That's it. Okay, ICICI, let's look at ICICI again. 1, 2, 3 reversal, but again a flat movement. Okay, unless and until the top stocks are not going to move high. Okay, now look at this. While the price had gone high, this is below the moving average. Okay, and even if you look, there is no trend over here, no trend. So again, not so good stock to take an entry. Federal Bank, I will not be trading too much. Okay, First Bank, it's still on the upside. Bandhan Bank is negative. Okay, EU Bank again negative. Okay, this could continue if the low is broken. Please understand this. And let's look at HDFC Bank. Okay, practically flat. So anything you need to, those who are trading Bank Nifty, think about this. In case you see HDFC Bank below 1600 levels, again the journey will be downwards. So if this dancing will continue, if HDFC Bank remains below 1600 levels. Okay, SBI, no particular trade. Frankly speaking, anything below 1591 is a sell. Okay, and 1604, maybe 1604 is a buy on the upside, but the capping is that the mother candle is at 1608, 1609 levels. Yes, 1608, 1609 levels. So there is hardly 3-4 points, 5 points move wala thing coming in. So again, those who want to those who are trading SBI. Okay, Bank of Baroda, not so great trend as such. Okay, I am not trading too small stocks price item. And PNB, fine. Those who are into investment and all that can look at it. Okay, there is one more request coming in, PFC. Okay, chalo, let's look at PSE. We have another 3 minutes, 5 minutes to go. PFC. Okay, just to inform you all that we are going to have a ADX session, 2023 live session coming in. Okay, wherein breakfast and lunch will be provided. It will be from morning 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock at Dadar, Mumbai. Okay, those who want to register for this particular meet, it will be a physical meet. Okay, those who are going to register, you still have a time. 1499 is the price for this particular meet. ADX is what we are going to learn. Okay, and we are going to dive deep into the ADX, the tools which I am showing you right now, when to use the tool, how to use the tool, how we will confirm the trend, how you are going to confirm the strength of the trend, everything being seen over here. So let's look at PFC. Now you can see PFC dancing in the last 2 days. Okay, not much as far as this particular part is concerned. Understand this. If Nifty will start moving on the higher side, it will move. Otherwise, 2-3 points ATR wala thing, again a resistance at 155 is coming in. So in this particular case, please understand there is hardly a room from where 108 to 158. Again, a very strong move has already taken part over here. I am not trading this small price stocks. I mostly trade in Nifty Banknifty and few of the top liquid stocks. Okay, very important that you have your risk management in place. Understand this. It's very important that you have your risk management in place. Otherwise, it creates a problem. Okay. So I hope this was very clear. Nifty Banknifty understanding was much more clearer. And once you are looking at Nifty and Banknifty as a whole, okay, you will be able to see the frontliners first running away. Maybe it could be a budget wala rally which is coming in. Okay, you can take part in the rally, but look at your portfolio, look at what you are trading. You need to have a system and process in place, right? Without the system and process, you are lost, because if a gap down opening or a gap up opening opposite to your trade, and you are wiping up your accounts. So I will be seeing you next Sunday for the ADX meet at Dadar, Mumbai. It's a physical meet, okay, with breakfast and lunch. Do register. We have few registration, but we will close the registration once our small place is filled up. Thank you for attending this weekly thing. We have our app launched, done, okay, and we will be also conducting our live classes on the app also. There are few videos uploaded on the app. Please go and watch that video. Seeing you once again. Thank you for attending this weekly analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty and few stocks. Okay. Love you. Take care. I'll see you once again. Bye-bye. Take care.